Hi guys, my name is Isaac. You're welcome to Money HQ once again. You're welcome to Money Headquarters. In case you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I drop new video. I talk about cryptocurrency, make cryptocurrency related video on this channel, and I also make tutorials on how to go about one or two stuffs in the crypto space. So in case you love watching such content, be okay and please go ahead to subscribe. Okay, without wasting time, I'll be showing you guys how to buy USDT on the Binance P2P trading platform. Yeah, so without wasting time, click on okay. But before you can be able to trade on the P2P trading platform, make sure you must have completed your KYC verification, that is SMS authentication and identity verification. So if you've done that already, feel free to click on the P2P trading icon where I just cycled. So click there. After you've clicked there, okay, you can see a lot of vendors here. You can see a lot of vendors who are ready to sell their USDT to you. Good. So on the buy tab of the cryptocurrency, you can select the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Yeah, this is the buy tab, and these are the I have to cancel, and these are the virus cryptocurrency. So you can select the one you want to buy, but for the sake of this tutorial, we'll be buying USDT. I don't intend buying USDT, but for the sake of this tutorial, I don't intend buying it, but I'll show you guys how to buy it. But I intend selling. I'll show you guys how to sell it manually, because I've gotten a lot of emails like, Isaac, how to sell damn. So okay, so you click on USDT. If it's Bitcoin you want to buy, you click on Bitcoin. As you can see, it has switched. If it's BUSD, if it's BNB, good. But I will advise you buy a stable coin. Good. So this is it, and this is the amount they are willing to sell. And in case you want to sell, you click on this sell tab. It will switch. Let's click on the sell tab so that you guys will see. Good. As you can see, we'll click on the sell tab and it has switched. So click on the buy tab back. So on the buy tab, okay, pay attention to the available quantity of the the crypto you want to buy. You understand? So like this person, this merchant want the crypto amount he wants to sell is 78.99 USDT, and the range is between 1,000 naira to 1,001 naira still. And this person want to sell 94 USDT, 94.12 USDT, and the range is between 1,000 to 1,001 naira. So this merchant here want to sell 269.92 total worth of USDT, and his price range is between 137,000 to 137,141.98 kobo. Good. And as you can see, the amount is willing to sell per USDT is 509 naira. So 509 naira per 1 USDT. So take note of that. Okay, so without wasting time, let's head straight. So without wasting time, you have to be careful. Make sure you take note of their rating. Like this individual rating is very okay. His rating is massive. Okay, yeah. So this guy rating is also good to go. This one is also good to go. And also pay close attention to the payment method. This is bank transfer. Most of them in the buy section usually prefer bank transfer, but when you get to the sell section, you will see other payment method. Okay, like this one now is a mobile top up. This one is bank transfer. You will see a lot of payment method there. So in the buy section, in the sell section, you have to be super careful so that You won't just click on waste your time, because you have to pay attention to the payment method. Okay, so choose the seller you want to trade with and click on buy. So let's assume you want to buy now and you want to buy from this top seller. Okay, so you just click on buy. Good. Then input the amount you want to buy. Okay, let's just say we want to buy USDT worth of 10,000 naira, or let's just say 100,000 naira USDT. Okay, as you can see, if you noticed, they say maximum is 1,100 naira. So that is to say the quantity is willing to sell is just 1,100 naira, and we are typing 100,000. That's why the payment, the transaction isn't going. So we have to have it cancelled and look for someone with a higher. Okay, Joseph Stanley. Okay, let's just click on buy from Joseph and then input 100,000 naira. Okay, minimum is 137. Oh, as you can see, that's why I say you guys should pay close attention to the quantity. As you can see, we can't still buy from this Joseph because his minimum is 137,000 naira, and the one we imputed is 100,000 naira. So for you to be able to buy from Joseph, you have to impute, your minimum have to be above 137. So let's just say 138,000. Good. Okay, my maximum is 137,100. You understand? So now we have to just make it 137 to be able to make, as you can see, nothing has. Okay, so after you've done that, you click on buy. And his payment window time is 15 minutes. So after you've clicked on buy, you will be provided with what's it called, an option showing you his payment method and the rest. Good. So you have to click his account number and make sure you don't include, for those of you that your country is against the trading of cryptocurrency, make sure you don't include any cryptocurrency related name in your payment description or narration. You understand, to avoid getting your bank account blocked. So make sure you just put, our advice, you just put the narration or description as fee. You understand? That's all. Good. Make the payment, then come back to your Binance app and click on transferred next. So that should go. You understand? If you have any question, feel free to send me an email or a WhatsApp message or message on Telegram, or drop your take in the comment section below. If you feel your question should, it's okay to be private, but if you feel your question is a private one, you can send me a message on Telegram or WhatsApp or an email. But if you feel so you're okay, if your question go public, you can drop your take in the comment section below of this video. So let me show you guys how to sell now. Okay, so if you want to sell, what you have to do now is click on this sell tab, click on sell. Good. And look for the merchant or the vendor you wish to buy from. Good. Okay, I think we'll be selecting this guy right here. So let's click on sell and check his payment method, payment window. Okay, please release coin after receiving payment, and note that 100 naira will be deducted for this transaction. I don't cancel order, thank you. Okay, so we'll just click on our payment method and click on all USDT. I intend selling 10 USDT for the sake of this tutorial, and we'll be getting 5,176 naira 25 kobo in Nigeria currency. So click on sell. Okay, as you can see, we've successfully placed a sell order. So yeah, so we'll have to wait for him. His timer is 15 minutes, so we'll have to wait. Make sure you don't release your crypto. if you are yet to confirm your payment. Do not really, okay, the information is even here self. Okay, where is it self? Okay, look, I think Binance have the info. Good. So here's the information. Yeah, they say please. Okay, no, this is his terms, not the Binance information I'm looking for. Okay. Okay, good. This is the Binance information I'm looking for. So here's the info. Attention, do not release crypto before confirming that money has arrived in your bank account to avoid getting scammed. So that's it. Because some people will be like, oh, Alpha, release the crypto now, man. I've sent the payment. Oh god, but whereas you haven't gotten an alert, I would advise you use your bank app to confirm the payment, because SMS alerts can be manipulated. So I would advise you use your bank app. Yeah, so that's it. Okay, so while waiting for the person individual, you can decide to give him a call. You understand? Good. Or message him like, hi, what's up? Okay, what's up? Yeah, so that's it. So we'll have to wait for him. Okay, he just replied, I'm good. Confirm trade terms, please. Your terms are accepted. Please send the payment. So you guys will have to be super extra careful. I decided to show you this part. Like, as you can see now, he's saying I should provide another bank, please. Zenith Bank, which of the bank I'm using, get congestion issue. Some of such message are coming from scammers, so you have to be careful. Do not provide any bank that is not connected to your Binance account, because the person might in turn now lie that he has transferred you the money, and you will be required to show the proof to Binance when appealing. Good. And when Binance notices that the account you provided is not connected to your Binance account, you might get an issue there. So it is better you use the account connected to your Binance account. Don't listen to anyone saying you should send a different bank. So that's it. Okay, so I will be pausing this video now, maybe look for another buyer to sell the crypto to. Okay guys, I tried to cancel the trade, but it seems Binance have updated their P2P method. So as a seller now, I'm unable to get the cancel trade option that will enable me to cancel the trade. So I can't cancel the trade for now, except the buyer. Good. Which I'm expecting payment from him, but he's trying to play smart. He's the only one that can. Okay, the buyer is the only person that can cancel the trade for now. Good. So that's how it is. So we'll just leave that trade, because I've called him already and tell him that I'm not dealing anymore. So we'll pause the video now. Then maybe I'll look for another buyer. Good. Okay, so the buyer, I was kind of having a little issue with him, has said he wants to continue the trade with me, and he's saying he's looking, okay, in our language, he's saying he's considering my own side in case I won't get the money, but I will. You understand? I told him to pay. I will just pay. I could check my bank app. Okay, I told him to pay that I'm going to check my bank app. I should see it at least few minutes or seconds or even an hour. Good. So that's it. He has clicked on pay. Please release. They are telling me that I should please release. As you can see it up there, but I'm not releasing yet until the payment. Okay guys, so I've successfully received the amount in my bank account. So that's it. Okay, payment received, thanks. So that's it. He sent me a screenshot, but don't believe their screenshot, you understand? Good. What you should believe is if you have confirmed the payment. Good. So that's how it is. So now the next thing to do now is click on confirm receipt. Click on confirm receipt and click on I confirm that the payment. Click on confirm. You will send a notification. Click on send code. So a notification will be sent to you and you have to input that notification. Okay, so we'll have to, okay, so the notification code is 759133. okay, 759133. Then click on submit. Good. As you all can see, successfully sold 10 USDT. So click on done. Good. I think we're done there. You can give him a positive rating or yeah, positive, and you can also leave a comment if you wish to. So guys, that's all. And as always, as usual, my name is Isaac once again, and this is Money HQ. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave your comment in the comment section below, and either you have a question and suggestion, criticism, whatever, I'll answer. I'll make sure I answer to every comment. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. At least let's get this video to at least 100 likes and above, yeah, for the algorithm to work. Thank you guys. As always, peace out.